What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Trinity back again with another video for you guys. And I wanted to come on here and just put something together for y'all and show y'all how I took this hot mess of a wig, child, and turned it into something that looked like this. Okay? Oh, your girl know how. She know how to do it. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. And the whole intention of me even buying this wig was for me to be able to go into labor with this wig on and to take care of the baby with doing nothing to my hair. I really wanted something I could just pull out of the closet or pull off the mannequin head and stick on my head, not having to do no glue and lay down the edges and none of that. I wanted something that would be easy to work with, that I could just throw on my head. So the first thing I thought of when I saw this wig was a bang. Curly hair, a bang, cool. You don't have to worry about no edges. You can use them combs, honey. But I found out I was able to do a lot more styles with this wig than I thought I was going to be able to do. And it looks nice and cute. And everybody keep asking me where I got it from. So here we go. First thing I started doing was styling for the bang. But then as I was messing with it, I see you can part it. And I'm like, okay, I might just... let me just shape it up a little bit. Ooh, we done grabbed the scissors, honey. We done grabbed the... yes, it is. And we just gonna cut that thing. Because now we got the bang. Okay? Now we finna do it up for the bang. Yes, God. We about to cut that lace off. Because I don't know what y'all be talking about. Y'all don't know how to cut no lace. All you do is cut the lace off. Where you see the lace, make the lace no more. You cut it off. Simple as that. Do y'all see what I'm doing? It's not any type of deep mechanics or anything. You just cut off the lace. That's it. When people talking about they charge you $1.99 to cut the lace off before you leave the store. Who? Not me. Anyways, y'all see me grabbing my concealer packet. And I am trying to... I think this is concealer and highlight and bronzer and all of that. And I am trying to blend this wig cap to match the tone of my skin color. So when I slap this wig on, honey, you know, it'll blend. But, honey, I don't know why I even did all of that because I don't ever wear a wig cap underneath these wigs. But I'm just going to look cute and do it up for the camera since this is what y'all be doing, child. You know, and that's what I thought I was going to have to do. I'm going to just go ahead and leave this in there and show y'all this is what I did just in case I wanted to use it. Y'all have to forgive the noise. If y'all hear some noise, I'm recording this voiceover with my churn running around in the background. So, but anyways, honey, get behind them ears like when you're washing, baby. Yes. You got to get behind them ears, sis. There it is. Yeah. Just like when you wash. Y'all see how I just slap that thing on there? Look at that. You can walk out the door like that, but you know I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna do a little better than that. Again, I'm not trying to do all that plucking. I'm not trying to do any of that. I'm trying to look for something that looks nice and that you can wear out and it looks good and you don't have to do a lot to it. So I'm just taking my spray bottle and I'm trying to enhance the curls. I always put a little bit of oil in my spray bottles too because you don't want to dehydrate your curls. You don't want to just, which I know it sounds kind of confusing, but if you just do nothing but spray water on your hair all the time, it's going to just suck out all of the good juices in your hair, honey. And it's going to be dry. And boom, that's the first style right there. And then as I was playing around with it, honey, I said, let me just pull these things up behind these ears that I just painted, honey, just so I done went ahead and painted behind these ears. Let me pull it up just so I can see what I can do with it. And I done found me another style. I said, okay, sis, what this gonna look like if I really will feel like doing something? Oh, she done picked up them scissors. Oh, and there it is. Now here I am again. I said, let me just go ahead and flip the bang to the other side, okay? And I went on and flipped that bang, and look at your girl. It looked like it's ready to be on that. Oh, not the glasses with it. The glasses with the bang. Now that's what I'm talking about. Take him to school, sis. Take him to school, sis. Yes. Yes, and this video is almost over. I did show you guys where I got, what wig this is, so you can type it in if you wanted to look it up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, it's your girl Trinity. Please subscribe to this video. I was trying to just do something simple. These are all the videos I recorded for you guys before I went into labor, and I have to get all of these videos out to you guys. I'm so excited to show y'all what I've been doing during this time. And anyway, subscribe, like, there's more content coming in the future. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for visiting Trinity TV one more time, and I will be back again with another video very soon.